What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Got something in the mail today, and it's going to be some Aurora knife and tool. I believe it's the Truffles. I think that's what it's called, I'm pretty sure. Yep, Truffles. So we got some S35VN, some gray titanium, and exact same thing. I do not know why we have two, though. Let's check it out, though. Let's see what's going on. Oh Lord, open. There we go. There we go. Okay. So I think there's just two variations. Obviously, that's obviously probably what it was. Yeah. Okay. See, this is the one I was tracking. I forgot about that one right there. Just so they come with a little bit of goodies right here. So you've got a little washer, a little extra spring for the pivot, the button lock, I guess, pivot lock. A little ceramic ball bearing, some extra screws, something else right there, a little small screw. So they both come with goodies. Let's get those out of the way though. Same stuff, right? Yeah, so they came with the same extra stuff, so that's cool. Cool. Let's check them out though. This is still, I don't know if it's for pre-order. I think you can still maybe pre-order or maybe order one. I do not know. It's been a while since I've been on the website. I know they were doing pre-orders. I just don't know if that ever closed or not. But I don't know if they're going to be released or not either. I want to say you can still get them or buy them at least. I can't remember. But yeah, it's on the website. I remember last time I checked. And I think you can even order both of these for a smaller, I think it's like 20, 30 bucks. When I checked, I think it was like 20 or $30 less than like buying them separate. So if you wanted both of them, obviously, it's cheaper. Kind of cool, right? Kind of cool. Um, okay, let's check. Well, let's check this one out first. This is the one I'm tracking. This one I want to look at a little more here in a second. So this is the Truffles. You got S35VN. Doesn't say it anywhere on the blade. Why? There's nothing on the blade. No insignia, no designs, no name, no nothing. Um, that's kind of rare. You don't normally see that. Usually they have everything on there, all kinds of stuff normally. Nice little pocket clip, not deep carry. That's all right though. So this is a pivot lock. Oh, that's nice. That's actually really nice. Like I've handled. Okay, I've handled some pivot locks. I think like three or four now. Like the what is it? The one by Vosteed. The Ankylo. I can't remember it. Ankylo, I think. Then I know Riot has one. The Riot PL XL, something like that. They have one. Remet has one. I think it's the Peregrine Carabiner. Peregrine Falcon. That one I remember trying out. It was all right. The button felt a little spongy. Now maybe it's put together differently. Obviously, depends on how it's put together. So they're probably not exactly the same. I'm not. I'm guessing. I'm guessing at least. Not quite sure. But this thing is nice. This thing's not spongy. It doesn't feel like it's spongy right now. Nice tension on it. Not spongy right there. Like I can obviously push in, obviously. But that's not bad. Yeah, I think this is a lot like the Peregrine Falcon from Hermet. I like this a little better though. The button just feels a little better. Like it's in there a little bit better, like set in there better. I think that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it probably is. So I like this. This is nice. Um, Nice little rear flipper tab. You also have the front flipper and this little like thumb flick hole. I don't know, finger hole. It works. You just got to kind of squeeze the fat of your finger, I guess, right in there. Kind of put a little pressure on it, and it does. Well, there you go. It does come open pretty easy. Try that front flipper. Dang, that's kind of nice. It's smooth too. Pretty smooth and nice, good handle. Plenty of real estate for you. Nice big blade. Feels nice. It feels great in hand. Feels really good. Pocket clip's kind of small, a little, I guess, shallow against it or whatever. Wish it was a little bit more so deep carry, but that's all right though. Screws are not like inside of like recessed in or anything like that or flush. They're all poking out. So it's probably just a design preference, I guess. Um, it is reversible, which is beautiful. I love that. So they do have a little insert right there, which is great. It's fantastic. I wish more companies would do that, especially with titanium and stuff like that. Just do something like that. It's yeah, maybe cost a little more, but I don't know. I think I'm sure not everybody's going to be willing to pay for it, obviously. But a left-handed person probably would. Or make left-handed version of knives, right? And hope they sell. I don't think that really works that well, but that's alright. Super dope, though. Let's check out the other one real quick. I really like that blade. That handle. It feels really good. But, hold on. Is it? It almost feels like one's... Almost feels like this one's broken a little. Feels like this is maybe just broken a little bit better. So yeah, you have a Damascus pocket clip, pivot collar, and it looks like that's Damascus. Obviously, it's just not as showing as much as these. I think they call it like the chocolate truffle. I think that's what they called it, the chocolate truffle. I'm not real big in the Damascus. I don't know. It's never been really my thing. I don't know why. I don't know. It's never really been my thing. But it's not bad though. Oh, it's backspacer too. It's just I just hear the rain. It's coming down outside now. Rained next town over all day where I was working all day. My wife said, "Ain't rained a drop here where I'm at, where she was at," and I'm like, "Okay, that sucks, but that's whatever." But it rained where I was at all freaking day, 20 minutes down the road, and now I get home and it's freaking raining. I hate the rain. Rant over. Sorry. So yeah, you have a nice little Damascus my goodness, backspacer as well. It does look pretty good though. I like the backspacer version of it. I don't know why though. It's just not really my thing. I do really like that titanium. I hope they come out with other knives though. I don't think Aurora has anything else out. But dude, this thing's dope, and this is one of the better pivot lock knives. I'm not joking. Like it's nice, and I think Vosteed came out with theirs. Theirs, I would say, is probably pretty good too. I like theirs. But I think I like Aurora a little better. I think they're really coming out shooting now. I don't know. Vosteed, you might have someone on your hands that's a big contender. I don't know. But super dope, super nice. Really, really like these. Anyway, you flick it open, it works pretty well. I don't know why there's jimping right there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I was trying to see if I could flip it open or something like that. I don't know. That's kind of odd. Okay. Sorry, I was gonna end the video, but actually I found something didn't really like too much. I can't think of any real front flipper tabs that also have the rear flipper tab. I'm trying to think of like my knife collection. Normally they have like a thumb stud or like a thumb hole, a finger hole right here. They don't have the rear flipper tab. And I was just thinking about that. Like sometimes I get my hand right here and then I flip. And if I do that, like it kind of pinches it a little bit. Obviously, I'll have to make sure I keep my hand back a little bit, just a smidge. Because I think I do that because I've got smaller fingers. Sometimes like short little stubby. They short and stubby. I used to say they're not stubby, but they kind of are a little bit. So I guess for knife purposes, I'll say short and stubby. But yeah, I don't know if I like that real well. It's not a big deal. Obviously, you can just learn to get your freaking fingers out of the way, or you're gonna get a nice little pinch. And I don't even think it would be that bad. Like I'm got my hand right up against it right now, opening it up, and it may not even pinch it at all. Yeah, see now I'm kind of trying to do it like really. I don't think it really pinch. I think you'd be all right. So not bad though. But super dope little knife. Well, I guess not little, pretty good size. I really like these. I'm really digging them. I'll have a final review out on these chunky little things here shortly. If you guys like the video or anything, or have comments or questions, just let me know down in the comment section or leave a thumbs up. Thanks.